There are 3 ways to track a player's progress in TNT Reading Tutor. One way is to view the exercise results menu. Simply click on the exercise results button to view this menu. This menu will display a list of all the exercises completed by the current player. This list includes the date each exercise was completed, the name of each specific exercise, and the grade percentage of each exercise. Also, you can see whether the exercise was passed or failed and what the passing goal is for that exercise. You can change the list of exercises in the menu by selecting what types of results to display. By clicking on the arrow to view the drop-down menu, you can select from all tests, last 20 tests, test and training exercises, all training exercises, last 20 exercises, or current training plan. This feature is useful when you have a long list of exercise results. If the player completed exercises with different passing goals, you can further customize the list of exercise results. You can select the specific passing goal to view, or you can select all to view the exercises completed with all passing goals. You can also alter the list of exercises by viewing only the failed exercises, only the passed exercises, or both types of exercises. For each exercise, you can view detailed results. Select the exercise you wish to view from the list to highlight it. Then click on the Show Detailed Results button. This will display a bar graph that shows the accuracy for each variable of the current exercise. Clicking on the Print Graph button will display a printable version of the bar graph. You can also click on the View Data button to see this information in a data table format. In this table, the accuracy and mean reaction time for each variable is displayed. You can access a printable version of the data table by clicking on the Print Data button. The Exit button will take you back to the Test Results menu. You can view how the current player's overall score compares to other players. Click on the Show Player Rankings button to view this list. A list of all the players in the database will appear, along with their overall score. This overall score is a combination of the points earned for each completed exercise. The current player is displayed in blue. Clicking on the Print button will display a printable document of the player rankings. Click on the Exit button to return to the Exercise Results menu. The Print Results Summary button will display a printable document with the list of results as they are displayed here in this menu. Another way to track a player's progress is to view the Certificates menu. Clicking on the Certificates button on the left side of the screen will take you to this menu. This menu will display a list of all the certificates the current player has earned. A certificate is earned upon passing a test, completing the reading exercises of a step, and upon completing the cognitive exercises of a step. You can change the list of certificates by selecting the types of certificates to view. Click on the arrow to display the drop-down menu of choices. You can choose to view all of the certificates, only the reading exercises certificates, only the reading mastery steps certificates, all of the reading certificates, only the comprehension exercises certificates, only the comprehension steps certificates, or all of the comprehension certificates. The list of certificates displayed will change depending on your selection. This feature is convenient if there is a long list of certificates. To view a specific certificate, click on the name of the certificate from the list to highlight it. Then click on the View Certificate button. Clicking on the Print button will display a printable version of the certificate. Clicking on the Exit button will take you back to the Certificates menu. You can click on the Print Summary button to display a printable document with a list of certificates displayed in this Certificates menu. The third way to track a player's progress is by using the Progress Report. Click on the Progress Report button on the left side of the screen to view this menu. A colorful bar graph will be displayed that allows you to quickly check a player's progress. Each of the columns on the graph represents a step. Each of the bars within a column represents a test phase for that step. Once a test phase has been passed, a bar will be colored in. You can change the view of the graph by selecting the type of results to display. Click on the arrow to view a drop-down menu of the possible choices. You can choose to view either the reading mastery results or the reading comprehension results. You can also alter the graph by selecting the exercise type. Selecting Cognitive will display bars on the graph for only the cognitive tests. Selecting the Reading option will display the bars that represent only the reading tests. Selecting All will display bars for both the reading and cognitive tests. Once the player has passed all of the tests for a step or a section of a step, and all of the bars in the column have been filled in, the star at the top of the column will brighten. In addition, the average passing grade for all the tests will be displayed in the star. To print any of the progress reports, select the type of graph to view and click on the Print Chart button. This will display a printable document of the currently selected progress report. This concludes the instructional video for tracking progress. The next video in this series is called System Management.